Scissor takedown is one of the most beautiful techniques in martial arts. Do you wanna know how to do it? Let's begin. The first technique is the version that I think is like the most commonly used. Here's the basic. The first step is standing like this, okay? And the second step is get down like this, okay? Like this, and then jump, okay? See? Like this. 1, 2, 3.
As you can see, when I jump, I immediately move both my legs in a sweeping motion, with each in a different direction. And now, I'll practice it to my friend.
Get down, and then jump like this.
I use my right foot to push him at the waist, while my left foot is on the nape of his knees to tackle him. After that, let's move on the next stage.
I'm gonna grab him like this, okay? Or like this, and then just like this. Okay. 1, then 2.
It's quite easy, ain't it? Wow! So for the first step, I hold his hand like this, then my right hand grab his shirt, or his neck, or even his shoulder. Then I jump and do a scissor technique.
And now the second version.
This next technique is often used by pesilat and pencaksilat tournaments. The technique is quite effective and also quite easy.
So the first step, I can do the same thing like the first version, you know. Or I can even hug him like this, okay? See my legs like this. 1, see, 1, and then 2. 1, 2. Like this. 1, 2. Okay.
You can see that the first step I take is to step closer and hug him, because this technique will be more effective if the opponent's position is very close, you know what I'm saying? Then my left foot steps up to tackle his legs, while my right foot presses the nape of his knees.
And now the flying scissor, which is more beautiful than the first and the second version. The first step is I can stand like this. See? 1, and then 2. See? 1, 2. And after that, 1, and then see? 2. Like this, okay? 1, and then 2. Now I'm gonna try it with my friend. 2, and then like this. 3. 1, 2.
This third version looks a little more difficult than the previous two versions, and I think it's okay because this version is very cool, you know what I mean?
And now I'm gonna do the second step while jumping. See? Like this. 1, and then 2. 1. And now finally the first and the second step is in the air.
Hello. And this is what I like about this version. I can target the neck or head, you know. But don't worry because we do it very carefully.
Okay.
Let's go back to the usual targets, waist and legs. The first step is to take a stance, then jump and do a scissor technique while spinning like a crocodile. What a beautiful technique, but does it work for self-defense? Well, I think we'll find the answer in the next video.